Hi guys, and I got an unboxing video for you, and this is a Henry Hoover, a new one because I blew up the old Henry Hoover. And I'm going to take it out of the box. And first we have this tiny broomstick. And also we have the Henry Hoover. It's right here. The Henry Hoover is right here. Henry. And as you can see in the back, I got a new Henry. And here's the hat. Here's the hose. And we gotta put the in. Then we put this. Let's vacuum. It's got silly light. I gotta fix it. This keeps on falling off whenever I drop it. Oh shoot. This is getting on my nerve. There. Oh, sorry. And let's turn them on. Woo! So that is it, and bye guys.